Good morning, Akshita. We'll continue from the last class where we are left out. In the last class, we are solving the problems on the different types of angles like alternate angles, corresponding angles. Now I'm continuing from there. We have another good question. After that, we are going to do exercise 14.2. Already we have done exercise 14.1, and then after that, we are doing the different angles, the theory on different angles, alternate corresponding angles, and then solved examples. In that solved examples, the last question is what? Please write down the last question of that practice. I'm drawing the diagram here, Akshita. So they said that this line and this line are parallel to each other. There is a middle, one more line. Yeah. These two lines are also parallel to each other. They are saying that this angle is 150 degrees. This angle is 36 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. The naming is given as C, D, F, E, A, B. They also have given this angle as 66. Now these many things are given. What they want actually finally, we have to show that AB parallel to EF. Okay. Sorry. Only angles are given. These parallel conditions are not given, Akshita. Only angles are given. What we have to show is show that. ST means show that. AB parallel to EF. So Akshita, here one very important point. I'm writing the note. How we will show AB parallel to EF? First, the first step is we will show AB parallel to CD. Second step is we will show CD parallel to EF. Therefore, automatically AB will be parallel to EF. So this is what the thing. So we will show that CD parallel to EF, and we will show AB parallel to. Okay, first step is we will show AB parallel to CD. And now, what is this combined angle, Akshita? 36 plus 30, which is nothing but 66 degrees. 66 and this 66 are equal, which are nothing but alternate angles. So if alternate angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Therefore, what we proved is AB parallel to CD. This we have proved. Now the second statement. The second statement is, if you see carefully, this I will write it with red color. This angle is 30 and this angle is 150. So 30 plus 150 is 180 degrees, which is like, both angles add up to 180. That shows that lines are parallel. If inside two lines angles are adding up to 180 degrees, that shows that CD is parallel to EF. So hence proved actually here, Akshita, AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF. So we got like this: AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF, which implies AB parallel to EF. Hence proved. Is that clear? Okay, please note down. Now we are going into exercise 14.2. Okay, exercise 14.2. In that, we are directly going to start the solving of questions from the 9th question. I'll paste the 9th question on screen for you. One second, let me close the door. You stupid. Yes, Akshita. No. Question number 8, na? Question number 9. Let me copy this question and then paste it directly on our screen so that you can. Okay. If you see this in the question number 9, line L is parallel to line M, okay, and angle 1 is given as 120. Let's write that angle values over there. It is 120 degrees. Angle 2 is going to be 100 degrees. Find angle 3 and 4. This is what is his question, right? Angle 3 and angle 4 they want. If you see carefully, let's call this as some angle 5. Here angle 2 and angle 5 are alternate angles. Therefore, angle 5 will become equal to 100 degrees. That is a known thing, na? So angle 5 will become 100. Now the next step is angle 5 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees because they are lying on the same line, like linear pair. Therefore, angle 3 will become 180 minus angle 5, that is 180 minus 100, that's going to be 80 degrees. So angle 3 is going to be 80 degrees. Clear? Now one more small thing, I wanted to take this a small angle. See Akshita, if this is 120, then the small pink angle is going to be 60 because they add up to linear pair, na? Correct, right? Therefore, now in that small triangle which I am taking out, see carefully, this angle is going to be 60, this angle we just now got 80, this is nothing but angle 4. So we can say that angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 plus 80. So 180 minus 140, that's going to be 40 degrees. Very simple question, note down carefully. I'm going to the next question, sir. That is question number 10. Nice questions are there. Okay, this is question number 10, Akshita. In the figure, L is parallel to M. They only have given this. Find the values of A, B, C, D and give reasons. If you see Akshita, angle A will be equal to 110 degrees. It's the first step of our question. Angle A equal to 110 degrees. Reason also you should write because vertically opposite angles. The second point, angle A will be equal to angle B because They are corresponding angles, which we learned in parallel lines concept, na? Corresponding angles. Angle A equal to angle B, they are corresponding angles. Therefore, angle B will be also equal to 110 degrees. Third step. Angle D will be equal to 85. It's because vertically opposite angles. Fourth step, angle D will be equal to angle C. Again, same reason. Corresponding angles. Is that clear? So these are the reasons for give reasons. He's asking all the values we found it, Akshita. See, angle A value we found, angle B value we found, angle D value, and angle C. Oh, I'll write it here. Angle C also equal to angle D, that is 25 degrees. So we found it, and also we have given the reasons. Our job is perfectly done. I'm going for the next question. This question we have already done this model. It is easy for you, but still if you feel like, sir, I wanted to small practice is required for me because it's a long gap, I will just give it. Yeah, figure AB parallel to CD, angle 1 and angle 2 are in the ratio 3:2. Let me see whether the recording is happening properly, Akshita once. Yeah, recording is happening properly. In the figure AB parallel to CD, angle 1 and angle 2 are in the ratio 3:2. Determine all the angles from 1 to 8. Okay. One thing we can understand, angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair. That means whose sum is 180 degrees. Correct, na? So, angle 1 can be called as 3x and 2 can be called as 2x because they are in the ratio 3:2, right? So 3x plus 2x equal to 180, 5x equal to 180, x equal to 36. Therefore angle 1 is 3x, that is 108, angle 2 is 2x, that is 72 degrees. So Akshita, we got two of the angles. Angle 1 we got as 108, angle 2 we got as 72. Now it is very easy. Two vertically opposite angle 472. This one 108. Right? Now 72, 2 and angle 6, or otherwise this 4 and angle 6 are alternate. So this will be 72, this will be 108, and this will be 72, and this will be 108. If you know one angle in this whole thing, among the 8 angles, if you know one angle, that's an important point, sir, which we can note down. Among 8 angles, if we know one angle, remaining all can be found. This is the important thing of the parallel system. Okay, one more question we will do, last question. This is a very easy question. So in the figure, L, M and N are parallel lines intersected by transversal P at X, Y, Z. Find angle 1, 2, 3. That's it. Very simple. Only 1, 2, 3 they want. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Very simple. Akshita, if this is 60, since they are parallel, this is going to be 60. Therefore, angle 1 is going to be 180 minus 60, 120 degrees. Right? Angle 1 is 120, matlab angle 3 is also 120 degrees. They are alternate angles, and angle 3 is 120, matlab angle 2 is also 120 because they are vertically opposite. Simple, it's just a game of angles. You know this. If you take one correct step, remaining all things, like it's like a water flow. You'll have such a fluent answering of question if you take one correct step at the starting of the question. So fine, this is question number 12. We are ending at the question number 12, Akshita. My aim is to complete this chapter along with the objective questions. So there will be an exam for you, which I'll be preparing the question paper. No worries. Maximum, I think today and tomorrow I will complete this lines and angles chapter. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.